Welcome to Code Station.
So MySQL is one of the most popular open source relational database management system (RDBMS) used for managing structured data. Here are some basics to help you get started with MySQL. XAMPP is one of the widely used cross-platform web servers which helps developers to create and test their programs on a local web servers. We have been using it quite a lot now to host our local websites. XAMPP helps a local host or server to test its website and clients via computer and laptop before releasing it to the main server. What we have been doing. It is the platform that furnishes a suitable environment to test and verify working projects based on Apache, Perl, MySQL database, and PHP. We are now going to use MySQL database software. MySQL is an open source relational database management system. It is the most popular database system used with PHP, as PHP provides numerous of predefined functions so we can connect with database and it will be a secure system altogether. MySQL is developed, distributed and supported by Oracle Corporation. With PHP, you can connect and manipulate databases very easily. We'll learn in the future. MySQL is a database system that runs on a server, and here the server for us is XAMPP. MySQL is ideal for both small and large applications as it is completely secure and easy to use software. PHP MyAdmin is the software that handles the database, that is the interface between the database, actual database storage, and the PHP script that we write. So let's look into it. PHP MyAdmin is costless and open source software that provides the functionality of operating and managing MySQL over the internet. The user can operate upon MySQL via PHP MyAdmin user interface while still directly executing SQL service queries. The GUI allows the host to carry several manipulation operations on the database such as editing, creating, dropping, alternating fields. Even if you can export and import databases, we learn about it. It can be used to manage access control over the data by giving privileges and permissions. It can also be used to give permission as in who can access your data to provide authorized access to your database.
Now here I will give you a walkthrough about the XAMPP control panel, which we have already used for starting the server in which we upload the local websites that we create on the server. So this contains Apache MySQL. So until now we were only using Apache to transfer the PHP files onto the Chrome to run them, but now from henceforth we use MySQL which supports an inbuilt database server for our database connection with the projects. So clicking on this admin button, it takes us to a new handle of known as PHP MyAdmin, which basically interacts with the PHP file and the database. So it is the software which supports our database functions for the project. This is the main frame or the first home page of a PHP MyAdmin, which is provided to us by the XAMPP server. In this, various types of database functions are given. This is the PHP version we are working with right now, and to the left are all my databases which I have created. Some are given to are already there in the software. So first we'll start by creating databases. Here you can create a database with the function directly given. No need of writing any SQL, any commands or any code for it. So here the thing is you have to give a name to your database and create, then it will create your database with all the necessary details of the database.
So to conclude with, we'll start making some PHP scripts and see how the syntax and how the connection works with the database, and learn all about the database operations while practicing building some code of operations like create, read, update, delete are the basic operations of on database, and we can create a simple form project of it, which we will be doing using PHP and MySQL. Start with basic tasks like inserting data into MySQL database, retrieving data, updating records, and deleting records using PHP. And all this can be done without writing a single SQL queries.